I'm Mrs. Lander. This is my classroom, room 122. I take my mask off because nobody is within 6 feet. In this class, you'll be here for science, social studies, math, and English. We have plenty of breaks throughout the day. We'll be able to go outside and take walks. We have a couple of other teachers that work in the classroom that we'll introduce you to, but we just wanted to show you what the class looks like for those kids who haven't been here before. So we are still unpacking. We obviously had to take everything out over the summer to set up the desk the new way. So it's pretty messy in here, but we'll just show you around. This is where my desk is now. For the kids who were here last year, I used to be in the back, now I'm in the front. And your desks are gonna be way more spaced out than you're used to. So this is kind of how they'll look. Everyone will have their own drawer with a few supplies that we're providing, and then whatever you bring in a drawer to keep track of your work. Although most of the stuff will be on the computer this year. We have our 2 kitchens. Hopefully eventually we can get back into cooking, but I don't know that we'd be able to do that at the beginning of the year. And this is some of the other teachers that will be in our room. You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Miss G. I mostly work with Connor, but I'll be seeing all of you soon. I'm very excited.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Dow. Here's what I look like. See you guys soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lennon, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all. This is what Mrs. Lennon looks like. See you soon.
All right, so we have one other room in here that you will use if you have OT, probably if you're doing speech, reading, in here. So you see there's room for about 3 kids to work in here this year. No more tables, because we can't work in groups. And we have a laundry that hopefully we'll get to be practicing on the gym stuff once gym gets back to normal. And that's about it. All right, I'm gonna put it back on because this is how you're gonna see us at school and how we'll see you. So we'll see you soon.